Ever wished your fund could invest anywhere, large cap, mid cap, or even small cap without restrictions? That's the freedom a Flexi Cap fund offers. And the Capitalmind Flexi Cap fund is the latest entrant. But is this new freedom a smart move or a risky experiment? Let us take a closer look in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what is a Flexi Cap fund. A Flexi Cap fund is a diversified mutual fund that can invest across market capitalization without any restriction. So, they give the fund manager full flexibility to shift investments depending on the market conditions. So, performance depends a lot on how well the fund manager navigates different phases of the market. So, now as we have a basic understanding about what is a Flexi Cap fund, let us now understand a few basic details about the Capitalmind Flexi Cap fund. So, as an NFO, it opens on 18th July 2025 and closes on 28th July 2025. Some of the key features of this NFO are: this is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity flexi cap, and it has Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark index, and there is an exit load of 1% which will apply if you choose to redeem your investment within 12 months. And also there is no entry load. The minimum investment required to invest in this fund is 5,000 rupees. And the fund manager of this fund are Mr. Anup Vijay Kumar, and according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the primary investment objective of this fund is that it seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation by pursuing active management and bottom-up investing, primarily in equity and equity related instruments across sectors and market cap spectrum. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this NFO, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to analyze the pros and cons of investing in this NFO. So let us start with the pros, the advantages. So number one, true flexibility across market caps. The fund isn't tied down. It can invest in large, mid and small caps based on where the best opportunities lie. Number two, backed by research-driven philosophy. Capitalmind is known for its deep dive data-led investment approach, which reflects in the fund strategy. Number three, concentrated yet conviction-based portfolio. Unlike index funds, this one is likely to hold fewer stocks based on high conviction rather than market weight. Number four, focus on quality and capital efficiency. Yearly commentary suggests a bias towards companies with strong cash flows, low debt, and efficient capital allocation. And number five, ideal for long-term investors who prefer thoughtful, active management. So if you're not into chasing trends and want a manager-led disciplined strategy, this fund may appeal to you. These are some of the advantages. Now let us take a look at the cons, the disadvantages. So number one, new fund, no performance track record. Being a freshly launched fund, there is no real world data yet. So you are trusting the process, not past results, which means you are taking a blind risk by investing in this fund. Number two, high manager dependence. This is a fund where success heavily depends on the skill and the consistency of the fund manager and his team. Number three, not ideal for conservative investor. Flexi cap funds can tilt towards small and mid caps, which adds more risk and volatility in the mix. Number four, limited diversification if concentrated. So while high conviction portfolios can outperform, they can also underperform sharply in bad phases. Number five, unproven AMC in mutual fund space. Capitalmind is well known in the financial content and PMS space, but as an AMC, it is still new and untested. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this NFO. So what is the final takeaway? Is investing in the Capitalmind Flexi Cap fund worth it or not? This fund offers you flexibility, focus, and a research-driven approach, all great on paper. But as with any new fund, the real test is in execution. If you're a long-term investor willing to back a fresh strategy and experienced team, it may be worth watching. As always, make sure it fits your goals and risk appetite, and when in doubt, talk to a certified financial planner. So our personal recommendation is that if you do want to invest in this fund, Do not invest in it because this is an NFO. It will be like taking a blind risk. So if you do want to invest in a flexi cap fund, there are other existing mutual funds that have track record of a minimum of 7 to 10 years, where you know this fund has performed across market cycles and you will know how it has performed in the highs and lows for you to be able to take a well calculated risk. But without proper portfolio and research, investment in an NFO is blind risk. So if you do want to invest in this flexi cap fund like Capitalmind just to see how this is going to perform, then and you also have some kind of surplus money, then you can invest it through your satellite portfolio, where you can invest with a minimum investment amount as a trial basis. And as the years go by and you feel like this has performing well, then you can increase the investment amount accordingly. So if you do need some kind of professional guidance, definitely consult with a financial planner, because they will look into the suitability of the investment's objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, allocation to see whether it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance and help you guide better.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.